Saber-toothed cats, often associated with the genus Smilodon, are a fascinating group of prehistoric felines that have captured the imagination of scientists and the general public. Recognized by their long, impressive upper canines, these iconic predators lived during the Cenozoic era, specifically the Miocene to late Pleistocene. In this text, we will explore the origin and evolution of saber-toothed cats, their distinctive characteristics and behaviors, and the possible causes of their extinction. As we delve into the history of these magnificent felines, we will better understand how they became one of the most iconic symbols of extinct megafauna. Part 1. Origin and evolution of saber-toothed cats. Saber-toothed cats, belonging to the felid group, appeared during the Miocene period, approximately 23 million years ago. This group is not made up of a single species, but of several species that share distinct characteristics, such as the long upper canines that gave rise to the popular name. During the Miocene, the early ancestors of saber-toothed cats began to develop more elongated canines, adapted for piercing and capturing larger prey. This evolutionary development was a reflection of the adaptation of these felines to the environments in which they lived, often competing with other carnivores for food resources. Over time, these cats evolved to specialize in hunting large prey, such as mammoths, mastodons, giant sloths, and other large herbivores that dominated Ice Age landscapes. This specialization was not just limited to prominent canines, but also involved cranial and bodily adaptations that made them effective predators in their respective ecologies. The diversification of saber-toothed cats continued until the end of the Pleistocene, about 10,000 years ago, when most species disappeared from Earth. During this period of millions of years, they thrived in many parts of the world, occupying unique ecological niches and playing a crucial role as top predators of the food chain in many ecosystems. Understanding the origin and evolution of saber-toothed cats not only illustrates the incredible adaptive diversity of cats throughout history, but also sheds light on the complex evolutionary processes that shaped past megafauna. Part 2. Characteristics and behavior of saber-toothed cats. Saber-toothed cats are known for their distinctive features, which made them formidable predators during the Pleistocene period. 1. Morphology and physical adaptations. Prominent canines. The most recognizable feature of saber-toothed cats is their long upper canines, which could reach more than 20 centimeters in length in some species, such as Smilodon. These canines were serrated and adapted for piercing and holding large prey. Robust body and powerful limbs. They had robust bodies, with strong and muscular front paws, indicating a significant ability to capture and subdue prey. Short tail. The short tail suggests that they were not long-distance runners, but rather ambush predators. 2. Hunting behavior. Hunting strategy. Saber-toothed cats likely hunted in groups, similar to modern lions. This is suggested by the fact that many fossil specimens have been found in deposits that indicate social housing. Methods of attack. Unlike modern felines that suffocate prey, saber-toothed cats likely use their canines to bite and pierce vital areas, such as the prey's throat or abdomen. This quick and effective strategy could take down prey much larger than themselves. 3. Diet and ecology. Prey. Their prey included large herbivores such as mammoths, mastodons, giant sloths, and bison. They were adapted to handle large prey, which was crucial for their survival in a competitive environment. Environmental adaptations. The geographic distribution of saber-toothed cats varied, but many species were found in areas where large herbivorous mammals were abundant, such as open plains and dense forests. Understanding these physical and behavioral characteristics not only highlights the uniqueness of saber-toothed cats within the animal kingdom, but also offers us valuable insights into the ecology of Pleistocene environments and predation dynamics during that fascinating period in Earth's history. But first, I need to ask you, are you enjoying? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos and leave a like. Part 3. Extinction of saber-toothed cats. Saber-toothed cats, once dominant as top predators during the Pleistocene, abruptly disappeared about 10,000 years ago. The exact cause of their extinction remains a complex and debated mystery among scientists, but several theories have been proposed. 1. Climate and environmental changes. During the late Pleistocene, there were significant climate changes and environmental changes. The transition to a warmer climate may have negatively impacted the habitats of the large herbivores that saber-toothed cats depended on for food. Reduced grazing areas and habitat fragmentation may have reduced their prey sources. 2. Competition with primitive humans. The arrival and expansion of modern humans, Homo sapiens, during the late Pleistocene coincides with a decline and extinction of many megafauna, including saber-toothed cats. Intensive hunting by humans, both direct, as competitive prey, and indirect, environmental impact and competition for resources, may have contributed significantly to their extinction. 3. Vulnerability to sudden changes in the environment. As specialized predators, saber-toothed cats may have been more susceptible to sudden environmental disruptions or rapid changes in prey populations. Their dependence on large herbivorous mammals as their main prey could make them vulnerable to any significant changes in the ecosystem. 4. Decline of food resources. Overexploitation of their preferred prey, such as mammoths and mastodons, by humans and/or climate change may have drastically reduced the availability of food for saber-toothed cats. This would have direct consequences for the survival and reproduction of these big cats. In short, the extinction of saber-toothed cats was likely the result of a complex combination of environmental factors, competition with modern humans, and changes in the availability of food resources. Studying their extinction not only sheds light on the fate of these iconic predators, but also offers valuable insights into the interaction between species and the environment across geological periods. So that's today's video. I hope you liked it. To the next.